Hey everybody, welcome to Creating with Love Crafting. Hey guys, well listen, it's Wednesday, you know, had to go up to my mom's and she had a Hobby Lobby by her and well, I just had to go. And I said in my last Hobby Lobby haul that I was done with stickers. Well, you're going to see why I picked up what I picked up. And your mind is going to be blown with the prices. I couldn't believe it. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, to like, and hit that bell for notifications. Don't forget, I have a 500 count or 500 sub giveaway coming up soon if I hit 500. Now, I have a video explaining how to enter that, and it is under a playlist called Giveaway Rules. Okay, so listen, guys, I spent $31.45. This paper is what I figured out. I would have spent $139.67 without tax. I spent $31.45. I saved $108.22. Oh my gosh. Do you believe that? So anyways, the one up near my mom, all of their paper pads were gone. Just gone. Okay? Every single one that was on clearance. Now I want to go to the one by me, and I'm not sure what's going to happen there, but these were $11.99 down to $2.99, and I do have to make 2 more baby girl albums. So they're not going to be junk journals, they're going to be albums. I'm just going to try and flip through one. These are cut aparts. And you have, sorry, I didn't mean to hit that. And you have a lot of cute cut aparts in there. Then you have, come on, more cut aparts. Well, they're not cut aparts. They're like die cuts inside the sheets. So there are a ton of die cuts here, guys. Look. And if I do that too much, it's going to. And look how cute. Okay. Then we have these. I think these are stickers in here. Letter stickers. And then we have regular stickers. Okay. Then you have the paper pad. You got the gingham, all the cute little background papers here. Squiggly lines. All these will go with what I'm doing. With this one can go with boy or girl, but I'm going to probably use this for baby girl albums because there's 2 baby girls coming. So I bought the last 2. Okay. And when I went there, I was talking with the little gentleman that was there. And guess what he was putting out? New Christmas paper. And when that's on sale before Christmas, that's when I'm going to go and get that. But I'm not going to get much because I have a ton of Christmas paper right now. I said I didn't need any more paper pads, but this is going to help me make two photo albums. Then, guys, I found this. Okay. This was originally $3.99 down to 99 cents. They had a couple of journals in there, and this says pray more and worry less. I make my own junk journals, yes, but I can use this as a giveaway or I can use it as a mail swap or something. I don't have to use this for myself. Actually, I don't like this type of a spine. So, you never know. I could give this away for a birthday or something. As a matter of fact, I'm going to a graduation picnic and I can use that there for a gift. Then they had all the rubber stamps were on sale, 40% off. So I found this one and I picked it up, and it has so many um oh my goodness, so many sayings that go with the word thanks. Okay, thanks. It on top it says, I just wanted to say thanks. I'm so very grateful. Thanks. I'm so very grateful. Thanks for being who you are, and thanks for all that you do. Thanks. You are a blessing to me. You're good to me. Thanks. Thanks. Or sending you gratitude. Thanks. I can't thank you enough. Thanks for being so thoughtful. Thanks so much. Thanks, you made my day. Thanks, you're too kind. Thanks, my friend. Thanks, what a delightful surprise. Thanks for your dedication. Thanks again. Isn't that incredible? That's a really nice set. And this one was $9.99, and I got it for $5.99. And Hampton Art. I have a couple of Hampton Art sets that I tried getting rid of, but I can't. They're the color in ones, but maybe I will color them in with the new alcohol markers I got. So then I found for $5.99 each, down to $3.59, I found this set. And I have something like this in my basket. They're almost the same price at AliExpress, and I'm going to take them out of my basket. This is good for the junk journals I make. So that's that one. And then this big background stamp. It's really nice. It's from Bo Bunny, $3.59. I got it at original price $5.99. Okay. So those are those things. Now, you guys are going to kind of like spank me, I think, because I said I didn't want to buy any more stickers. But for the prices they were at, my word, I had to. So, guys, this was $2.99 marked down to 24 cents. And this is perfect because it will. I don't like these because they fall off. They fall right off of the board here. But they got to do something. Maybe put them in wrapping or something. But this is perfect for the baby girls photo albums I want to do. So this one is perfect. 24 cents. Then, sorry. Then stickabilities for 24 cents. They were $1.24, and they marked them down more. And this is like for the prom, okay? But you don't have to use some of these images for the prom. You can use them for something different. May I have this dance? Yeah, maybe. That was pretty nice. 24 cents. I couldn't believe what I was seeing in the Hobby Lobby at my mother's house. 29 cents. Science fair. School stuff. Look at these little test tubes. Genius at work. Experiment. Look at the DNA strip. That's really cool, isn't it? That's what God made. How can a being make something like this into a unique person like you and me? Oh my, that's mind-boggling. So, 29 cents for those. Then I found this, and I'm probably going to use a couple of these for giveaways. I honestly I don't really do tennis, but 29 cents. Okay. Now you see what a big savings these are. And my mind is blown. Oh boy. So my son's home and he's singing really loud. Then guys, 39 cents down from 99 cents down from $3.99. These are adorable and these were not in my store at all. Laughed often over it. Good vibes. The little sloth is just plain old adorable. So, it's 39 cents? Come on, guys. Oh my goodness. Hold on. I got to put you on hold because he's going to come in and make so much noise. Oh, you can't see your head. Say hello.
Hi.
He's got my baby.
This is not your baby.
Oh, that's your baby.
Yeah.
Hi. Hi, Smarty Pants.
This is my baby.
Oh, she's a smart aleck. Oh my, she is very energetic. We got up one day and that cat was zipping around the house so many times.
Yeah.
Okay.
She almost broke her neck. I forgot that I brought 2 set of keys with me.
You're not seeing your face.
I brought 2 set of keys with me by mistake.
Uh-oh. And guess what? I got another kitty on my desk.
Yep. And now I'm going bye.
All right, bye. All right, so I have a kitty sitting near my keyboard, so I may pause you at any time. All right, so let's keep going with this haul. I'm talking serious price reductions. Now, we have 19 cents. 19 cents. And this is pretty cute. Okay, so if I ever make a junk journal for music, that's perfect. Now, this was 19 cents, but I got a second one for 24 cents. I don't understand that. This one was 19 cents. Excited for Easter. 19 cents for this one for school and all the pencils. I'm going to give that one to my sister. She'll love that one. This one was the one for 24 cents. I don't understand. Oh, I get it. Look at this, guys. The same stickers for different prices. The same stickers. Oh, my. Okay. Well, whatever. I got them cheaper. 24 cents for these. Ugh. And the deals go on. 24 cents. 62 cents. That was the highest clearance on the stickers, I think. Then we have 2 prom. But I don't always have to use this for prom, right? Cute couple, best night ever. Could be wedding. Could be 49 cents. So, pretty. Then we have Bible school, vacation Bible school. Love it. Love it. Love things about Jesus. 49 cents. La Petites. Merry Christmas. These are adorable. Love to make a card with this. It's going to be spectacular. 49 cents. Some of these I may use as a giveaway. Happy New Year. 2 of them. 49 cents. I went nuts in this store because, guys, I can't believe what I saw. Then we have La Petite, Happy Adoption Day, Little Miracle, Chosen, Forever Family, Found You, Welcome Home, 49 cents. Wonderful. That can be a wonderful giveaway. Robots. I was thinking of my grandsons when I bought this. If I wanted to do another photo album for him, 49 cents. Let's see. Then the nativity scene, the last one there, 49 cents. I'm happy. And then 39 cents. Wonderful. We got the little mermaid, Ariel sitting there, and the llama, and Santa Claus. Yeah. Then we have, you want to get down on the chair? Go ahead. Then we have this little guy, 29 cents. Only one left. I grabbed it. Don't kill me, guys, for grabbing that. So, I found these babies. 25 cents. You guys better run. 90% off of all of this stuff. 90%. And then 29 cents. I am so very happy to have found all of this stuff. $31. This would have been a, what did I say? Would have been over $100. So no. This would have been $139. Get your tail out of here.